Yeah, today we have this patient, 35 years old, who came to see me 7 months ago. Yeah, he was having hair loss around here at the side, unable to cover. So what he was doing is, he's taking the hair behind, which is longer, to cover the bald area. So already 7 months after doing the hair transplant using the smart FU technique, this is where the result is. So today we would like to know what is the feeling of the patient who already got this result.
I'm so happy with the end result. Yes, it was a very long journey for me. So for the day that on the day itself that I came here for the hair transplant, so it was a very long procedure, and I thank a lot to Dato, for him to spend the whole day for me. In order for him to complete the entire procedure end to end. Yes, I was so afraid at the very beginning for me to come here, for me to bowl my hair, and it's like a very drastic change for me when I used to keep a very long hair in order for me to cover the middle area. He did the hair transplant to me. I have to admit, and I have to be very frank, the procedure was a little bit painful, but I was well comforted by Dato and also her nurses. So I was so happy throughout. They even served me meal and they treat me very good on that day. And I'm not afraid of wind per se right now, because previously Dato, I'm so afraid of wind, so I don't like the wind to blow in front of me because I can't cover my hair. But right now, yeah, you're talking about the confidence level. Yes, I do have that.
Okay, I'd like to thank you for you to trust me and my team to do for you the hair restoration.